Hello everyone, welcome to Beautiful Arts and Decoration. In today's video we are going to see about how to make Shivalingam at home. Lord Shiva is one of the most powerful and superior god among all the gods, and today we are going to see about how to make this lingam. Lingam is also pronounced as linga in Hinduism, a watery object that symbolizes the god Shiva and is revered as an emblem of generative power. Okay, let's get started. For making lingam, we need clay, decorative items, acrylic paint, and clay tools. If you guys don't know that how to make clay, you can also see my previous video which is based on how to make clay at home. I will also give the link of the video in my description box. First, take some clay and make a shape cylindrically so that it will be the head part of the Shivalingam. It should be like this. And then take some more clay for the middle part. Press it gently and make a round shape of the clay. It should be like this. This is the center part of the lingam. By doing like this, it gives a perfect shape to the clay. If you no need, you can cut the extra part of the clay. If you guys want a perfect shape, take a cardboard and keep it upon it and press it gently so that it gives the perfect shape. And the next one is make a small round so that it will be the second base of the Shivalingam. Make sure it is also be perfect round. As the same process for the third base. Make a round and a flat shape, and it has to be made like giving it an extra height. Repeat the same process until it gets the flat shape. To make it an oval round shape, you can also use the clay tool. I will be also showing you how to use it. Either you can use this one or the first one which we made. I am going to take the first one only. And the last and the final thing, make the clay as a thick and a height round in shape so that it will be the base to the statue. Make it round enough and press gently with the cardboard. Don't forget to wash your hands properly after doing those things like this. Guys, now you can see the 5 parts which we made. After a small break, I started to stick all this. Stick it with the clay and with the help of brush. Make sure that it sticks properly and tightly. Apply the watery clay as many times so that it gives a strong statue which will never break until and unless you disturb it. After fixing the second base to the final base, fix the third base to the second base. And this is the final base to the statue. Stick it properly. Don't mingle the bases together. Check it once or twice and start to stick it. After sticking all the bases, it will be looking like this. Now, the time to fix the head part into the lingam. Stick the head part in the correct position so that it should not be changed the structure of the lingam. Apply as many times as you can the water so that it fixes tightly. And take some clay and make a shape like this and stick that to the right part of the lingam. After sticking it, it gives a perfect shape to the lingam. You can also see that it really looks like the lingam. And for the snake, take the clay and roll it like this and stick it to the head part. It is the body of the snake. Make a flat surface and make a snake like this. This is our snake of the lingam. And to show the snake naturally, fix a part like this in between the snake body. Also stick this tightly. Give it 2 to 3 layers of the clay so that it will be very strong. Now fix this snake to the back side of the lingam and it looks like this. Then to make the moon, make a tiny part like this and fix the right side of the Shivalingam. As well as make the tail part of the snake and stick it like this. That's all. Our Shivalinga get completes. You can see guys, it is absolutely good enough. I think so you might learn new ideas to make Shivalingam at home. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. The painting of the statue and the sticking of the stones and decorative items will be continued in my next upload. Thank you.